Hi guys, it's March 7 and mag-update ako sa inyo sa mga prices ng Xiaomi phones. As requested guys, this is the newest phone of Xiaomi. Eto siya guys, 55,999. We're here in Ayala Center, Cebu na Xiaomi. So ito yung pinagmamalaki nila.
This ma'am, then 2,000 discount if mag-pre-order.
Okay, 2,000 pesos discount, no?
If mag-pre-order, then 3 watch
Ayan, may free watch din.
worth 7,799. Na pwede siya maka-appeal sa mga kanang rapport promo na pwede siyang madaog og kuan like a camera worth 400.
Sir, can you please tell me more about Xiaomi 17, sir? Bakit ito yung dapat bilhin? Kasi nakalindot na yung
For
cellphone.
kuan ma'am, camera ma'am is
Okay.
better for camera is naka-Leica. Then also gaming.
Okay.
Its processor is Snapdragon
Okay.
8 Elite Gen 5.
Dayon, sa pa,
Then
sir.
compact phone na din siya.
Nindot kay siya, sir. It's very lightweight. It's very handy. Video stabilization niya, sir. Okay ra? Kung for vlogging, for photography.
Photography, vlogging, gaming, much better siya.
Okay, better for vlogging, gaming, photography. This is the specification, guys. Pila yung MP gani, sir, sa yung front, sir?
32.
32. Wow. And the back, sir?
50
Rear?
megapixel.
50. So, Leica ang pag-pronounce, no? Leica ang pag-pronounce. So, this is the available color sa market.
Green.
Okay, black and green. So, sa the Philippine market, ito lang yung i-release, yung Xiaomi 17. Ayan siya, guys. 100 watts wired and 50 watts wireless hypercharged. Ayan siya, guys, ha? Sa mga nagbabalak bumili ng Xiaomi 17 as of March 7, this is the price. So can we check this, sir? Sorry, can we check the camera, sir? Okay, ganahan din na sila mo tanaw. Sige, sir, palihog ko na ko pindot, sir.
Yes,
Ayan, so tignan natin yung quality. Now for the video, wow, it's nice. So maka-zoom ka, sir, how many times, sir, for
60.
the photo? 60. Now,
For the video is up to 4K, 60 FPS.
Kuya to, sir, balik ka, sir.
4K and
4K.
60 FPS.
Okay,
You
sir.
have stabilizer, front
Okay,
and back
sir.
also.
Sige, sir. Try na to, sir. Okay. Okay. Yung sa back, sir.
Yung sa-
Video, sir. Ayan. Uy, kalinaw. Malinaw siya.
Yung sa zooming niya
Zooming
is
niya, sir. Sige,
up
sir.
to